the fuel tank. And this is the carburetor. This is the throttle body. If the position is like this, the air can pass through, and if it's like this, it's open and the air can pass through. This is the choke lever. It means it's off, on. This is the throttle valve. And if we open this, we will see the floater. This is what they call floater. The needle is in there, and this is the main jet. This is what they call the carburetor bowl. And this is the carburetor insulator, which is located between the cylinder head and the carburetor. These are the throttle control lever. This is what they call the starter coil. This is the exhaust valve, exhaust manifold. And these three parts acts as a flywheel of a gasoline engine. And this is the cylinder head. And as we open it, we can find the valve, spring valve, the rocker arms, and the push rods. This is the spark plug. This is the air housing, and as we open it, we can see the air filter. This is the ignition coil, but it is secondary. And this is the distributor. This is the piston part. This is the piston. And these two are the compression rings. And this one is the oil ring. This is the connecting rod. This is the crankshaft. These are the valve lifters where it is located at the crankcase. And this is the camshaft of a gasoline engine. This is the crankcase. And this is what they call governor gear. And this part is where the piston functions. This is what they call engine cylinder.